How many times have you accidentally tapped on one of these smart reply chips before? It's crazy that Google made it so that once you tap one, it's instantly sent to the person you're texting. But thankfully, a recent update to Google Messages finally allows us to stop this from happening. And you don't have to disable the feature either. It's an optional toggle called Tap to Draft, and I'll show you exactly where it is. Google Message has been testing this new Tap to Draft feature internally since around March of this year. But folks who are on the latest stable version of the app are now seeing the option show up from within the settings area. I have read that this has appeared in version 2026/0522_00_RC00 of the Google Messages app for Android, but it could roll out to older releases too. You can enable the Tap to Draft feature within the Google Messages app by first tapping onto your profile picture in the top right corner. From here, you're going to want to look for the Messages settings at the bottom and tap into it, and then look for the Suggestions and Actions menu, because this is where you're going to see the Smart Reply Suggestion feature. But you actually need to tap on that from here, and then you're going to see the new Tap to Draft option, because it seems like Google Messages will keep the Tap to Send option selected by default since they're actively advertising it as a convenience feature. But you can change it from here with a simple tap. Now, with that said, some folks are still not seeing this toggle appear, even though they have the latest version of the Google Messages app installed. And this is just classic Google, as they prefer to do a gradual rollout for updates to their applications. So it may actually take another week or two before you see it appear on your phone. Just make sure that you keep the latest version installed, and it will appear eventually.